Here comes the bulldozer. Beep, 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 beep. The bulldozer is working in the dirt. The bulldozer's so strong. The bulldozer is getting all this dirt. Wow, dump it out. Thanks, Mr. Bulldozer. Let's cover the bulldozer in dirt. Where did Bulldozer go? Can you find him? Peekaboo! There he is. There's Mr. Bulldozer. He has some dirt on him. Check it out. Here comes a yellow car in the dirt. These vehicles are having so much fun in the dirt today. They're getting ready to have a bubble bath soon. They are so dirty. Oh my goodness. Here comes another car. This car is blue and white on this side and green and orange on the other side. You can turn it. Cool, cool car. Beep, 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 beep. Here comes a black truck. Beep, beep. In the dirt. All these cars love playing in the dirt. Look at them go. Whoa. Check out all the dirt. Oh, a big one's coming. Check this out. This is a dinosaur monster truck. It's so big. Whoa, look at it go in the dirt. It's so strong. Its wheels are so big. Big wheels. Should we count how many wheels this monster truck has? Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. And do you know what color the wheels are? That's right, they're yellow. This monster truck has yellow wheels. So cool. Something's flying in. What's this? It's an airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky. Beep, beep. Here comes a blue car. Wow, there are so many vehicles that want to go in the dirt today. Let's hide the blue car. Let's see if this brown car can find the blue car. The blue car is hiding in there. Shh. Where is the blue car, says Mr. Brown Car. I don't know. I need some help. Keep going, keep driving. Oh, there's something here. Oh, it's the blue car. Yay, you found me. Yes, I did. Here we go. We have to get ready for our bubble bath. Bubble bath's coming. Here we go. Let's bring the water so we can have a bubble bath. Here we go. Ooh, look at those bubbles. Let's put the black truck in the bubble bath. Duck you go. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Let's wash him. Wash, wash, wash. Ooh, he's nice and shiny. Maybe we can wipe him off. Wipe. Wow, this black truck is so clean and shiny. There's no more dirt on him. He had a bubble bath. Let's put him on the towel to dry. There he goes. All right, we have to wash our blue car. Look at all that dirt. In you go. Can you say in? In. Good. Shake, 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 shake all the dirt off. Shake, 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 shake. Ooh, look at that. Sparkly clean. No dirt on the blue car. Good job. We have an amazing car wash. What about the bulldozer? Look at the dirt on the bulldozer. He's pretty dirty. Let's stick him in. Shake, 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 shake. Wow. Look at that, squeaky clean. Let's wipe them off. We have to dry our vehicles because they don't want to stay wet. Good job, Bulldozer. Mr. Brown car has some dirt on him. In he goes. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa, that's so cool. The dirt came off so fast. And what do we have? We have the yellow car. The yellow car has lots of dirt on it. Look at all that dirt. Dunk! Shake, 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 shake. This is so much fun cleaning our cars. Do you know what color this car is? That's right, it's a yellow car. And look, it looks like it has a bird shape on it. Birds go tweet, tweet. All right, here comes the monster truck. This monster truck needs a good clean. He needs to be shaken around so many times. Shake, 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 shake. And look at all those bubbles. He's squeaky clean. We can wipe his eyes off and his wheels. I think we have one more car to go, and this car has a big piece of dirt. Big, big piece of dirt. Dump. Whoa, that was so much. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Time to dry you. Oh my goodness, this car is so shiny now. Maybe we can give our airplane a wash too. It didn't go in the dirt, but that's okay. Wash, wash. Oh, thanks for washing all the vehicles with me.
It's playtime. Hi friend. Hello. How are you today? I'm well. Do you want to count some numbers with me? Sure, let's count together. Let me get my stickers. Wow, that's so many. Let's put number 1 down together. Okay, I'll take a turn. I'll put number 1 down. 1. Yay. Okay, I'll put number 2 down. 2. I'll put number 3 down. No. I want to put number 3 on. It's my favorite number. Uh-oh. The little boy wants to have 2 turns in a row. But no, it's my turn. I want to put number 3 on. Uh-oh. Who should put number 3 on? It's my turn. No, it's my turn. Okay, boys and girls, I think we need to take a break and take some deep breaths. Are you guys feeling angry? Yeah? All right. We have to take some deep breaths then. Do you remember how to take some deep breaths? Smell the flowers and blow out the candles. Smell the flowers And blow out the candles. Good. How are you guys feeling now? I feel better. I feel better too. You can have number 3. Okay, thank you. I'll have number 4. That was great problem solving, boys and girls. All right, I'm gonna get number 4. Yay, we're all done our numbers. High five. Thanks for doing numbers with me.
There's something hiding in the dirt. Can you guess what it is? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And it starts with the letter S. Should we take the dirt off? Yeah? Say off. 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 Ooh, look at that. It's a star. Let's shake all the dirt off. Oh, I hear something inside. Do you hear that? Should we open the star? Yeah? Oh, whoa, guess what? There's another star inside. Let's take this star out. There's something inside. Say open. Good. Oh my goodness, there's another star inside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 stars, and we're gonna be opening more. Another one. Wow. Whoa, the stars fell down. This is a baby star. It can open too. Which star is bigger? This star is bigger. Good. Let's mix it up. Which star is bigger? You're right, this one's big. Good. Which star is smaller? Good, you're right. This is the smaller star. Should we put the stars back in? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Put it in. In. Good, we have 2 more stars left. And then we have a baby star. The baby star is gonna close. Let's close it. Close. And we can put the baby star inside. Now we can fit it all together. Hooray! Thanks for opening the star with me.
Bye bye, friends. See you next time.